That was more litty than a titty. Hello, dearest.
It's Aries.
Our car is 2 minutes away because we're going on an adventure.
I guess.
Going to some canyon thingy.
Red Canyon. We're in Las Vegas. I don't really know what Red Canyon is, but we're gonna meet up with our other friends there. And we're gonna go see, I guess, the rocks.
I get it. But you guys, look at my outfit. Whoa.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm a water type of person, so
Oh my gosh.
the beach would be nice.
Or
Or like a waterfall or whatever, but
oh,
this works
still
too.
not here yet. Anyways.
Y'all, look at this nice crib.
Oh my god.
This beautiful crib. Shows you the pool. It's a beautiful crib. That's the Vegas Strip, I think. What's it called? The casinos. The way we didn't gamble, because I don't know how to gamble. And, you know, gambling's not my thing. It's not my thing.
Got a big old backpack for no reason.
I got a hat. Here, look at my outfit.
Okay. Let's see your cute little outfit. Oh my god, I can't see.
Jesus. I got a hat, but the thing is my hair is in the ponytail, so
I mean, just only use it if you need to.
I need it.
Cute, cute. All right,
Sunglasses.
let's go. He should be here now.
Out here cooking.
This is cute. Guys, are we gonna see like animals?
Oh, girl.
Oh, I'd like to see a snake from afar. That'd be great.
You like to see a snake?
I would love to see a snake.
Damn, there's no clouds, like nothing.
Woo.
Oh my god, yeah, the sky is like so clear. It's crazy.
Easy, dog. Why am I out here?
Why am I out here?
When I say, okay, it's actually, you guys, the weather is, I think, 105 today. There is a heat advisory out here.
I feel it.
Oh, God. Will we make it, though? That's the question. Ooh. So, Ariel, how you liking it out here? Girl, bye.
It's nice, it's dry.
It's dry.
It's too hot.
His balls hot.
His balls hot.
His balls hot.
How you feeling?
No.
How you feeling, friend?
This ain't my thing.
It's not your
a water
scene.
person. Like beach chin thing. I don't like the desert much, I ain't gonna lie.
I get you. I get you.
I feel like I'm roasting.
I get you. I get you. I get you. It's
I've
okay.
done this in Minecraft and it would have been the same thing.
It's crazy. Woo! Yeah, Morgan. Yeah.
Yeah, right now. Let me see. For the photo, my boy.
Go in the crosswalk and walk like this.
Oh my god, yes!
Be in the pose. Be in the pose.
He's like standing like, yeah.
All right, Paris. This is our tour guide. So it's like, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do a little documentary.
Oh, what the hell?
You're the tour guide.
And if you look to your right, you'll see a Wendigo.
Can you stop? Like, actually, no, she's messing around. I'm not trying to deal with that. I'm not trying to deal with that. It's not funny. And that's all you keep talking about. No.
Okay, I'll change it. This skinwalkers.
No, keep taking the camera. I'm not. Time to grubums. Time to eat. Ow. Ooh, is it chips?
We're taking it in the restaurant.
Oh.
Bring your own side.
This is the most beautiful sugar I have ever seen.
I'm getting the itis.
She got the itis. She busted down.
That was more litty than a titty.
Yeah, so we're home now, you guys. We're actually gonna go to karaoke and then go get dinner. Party. I'm just going along with it. Shots. This is not the life I live, you guys. I gotta clean the lens.
It's actually, oh wow, that's insane.
It's hella
actually too
hot.
hot out here.
Whew.
And we have like what? We have to get ready in like
2
an
minutes
hour.
to get ready, so I'm gonna go shower. No, less than an hour.
No.
So yeah.
Thank you guys for watching this video.
Hope you enjoyed the rocks. The rocks.
Go ahead. You say it.
No, please.
No,
Like,
Paris, help yourself. Help yourself. Take my job. Go ahead.
fucking,
We're waiting. Go ahead.
hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe, hit that beautiful bell notification button to get notified every time we post a video. Okay, guys, bye.
I do not sound like that.